What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, I'm excited about this one because I finally reached my end goal with XRP. And I want to preface this video by letting you guys know that I'm not looking to do this or make this video to rub it in. The reason why I'm making this video is probably multiple reasons, but the main one is the fact that I'm trying to obtain these goals and I'm pushing to do so, right? Pushing as hard as I can to do so, whether it's by, funding it myself or whether it's by certain gains. Now, in the last video, I talked about gathering 100,000 XRP. Um, I wanted to do it through Margex, trading and different things that happened there. Now, I did make a decent amount of money within there, and ultimately, I did do it through Margex trading and the investments that I had there. But I also added some to the pot. I saw an opportunity that I wanted to, take up, and I felt as though I can gain something with it. So I threw a decent amount of money with it or to it. And then ended up profiting a decent amount from it to get me to my goal. And I am right there. I would say barely there. I don't have the exact number, but I did kind of wing it and throw it over on Coin Market Cap, so I will show you that detail. But I also want to show you, how much I have over on Margex. So know that this wasn't only from gains within Margex. This was also from, affiliates. This was also from me taking some of my money and buying it, but buying a position so that I can, invest at a 10x leverage, giving myself, 1,000 or so dollar gain so that I can get up to that level, right? Because it definitely felt like we were going to see a bigger push within the market, and we're still going to see a bigger push within the market as we get into July and as we approach July. And I'm getting impatient, right? So I don't want to have to say to myself, oh, well, maybe I should wait for it to come back down to 47 or come back down to 46. Like, that's not what I want to say. So that's the same thing that happened last time where I was like, I'm going to get to 100,000. It ended up increasing to like 60. And I was like, okay, well, maybe I should hold off and just be comfortable with 80. But now I had that ability as it did come back down to gather 100. So again, this is by no means rubbing it in. I'm not looking to say, oh, I have more money than you or anything like that. No, right? There are a ton of more people with way more money out there than I have and way more possibilities and have made bigger investments and absolutely fantastic. I'm only doing it for a kind of a documenting process, right? So anyways, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. If you guys want to check out some of the links down below, feel free to check out those links for Patreon, for Twitter. I also have a link for Margex. If you guys want to start trading on Margex, you can trade XRP up to a 50x leverage, as well as Jasmine Coin up to a 50x leverage. And you can trade BTC at a 100x leverage if you find that there's a reason to do so. I know it's a lot of risk by doing that. I've done it maybe once or twice. I've made money on it, I think one time. I might have done it a little bit more than that. I might have done it like 4 times, but I made money one time. I know that for sure, but lost money every other time. But you got to limit your risk. So when I lost money, I lost a very small amount. When I gained money, I gained a very large amount, right? So just limit that risk, manage your risk well, and you'll be profitable, you'll be successful. But anyways, if we look at XRP and where it stands, it currently sits at 47 cents, almost 48 cents. It's up 2.39%. We're also seeing a $26.7 billion market cap with $877 million worth of volume. Now, I get excited every time I see this. You can see in my crypto balance, I have $48,000, which means that I officially have 100,000 XRP. Now, this isn't over on Coinbase. On Coinbase, it shows my assets as 92, I believe. So if I bring this over here, close to 92, it's at 91,911. But I also have some that's over here on Margex. If I go into my account, I have 8,375 total that is there, and majority of it is being sent over to Coinbase. So I know there's a certain amount that's in order. So you have 271. So I should get to a point where I am at 100,000, like even. So I can't wait for that to get withdrawn over there. But I officially hit this level. Now, what does this mean for me? Hitting 100,000 is huge. That means that if it gets to $10, you have $1 million, right? It gets you to these levels a lot faster. And I'm not saying that you have to have 100,000. Don't just copy me just because I have it, because it's a lot of money. $47,000. You don't know how many times I went back and forth and said, look, should I put it here? Should I put it there? Should I put it here? Should I put it there? Because there's other opportunities that might end up giving me more short term, and then I might have the ability to put it back into XRP. I understand that. I've seen the comments. I understand the process of investing. Same thing goes for my dividend portfolio. I have $62,000 over in my dividend portfolio. I could put that into, cryptocurrency, grow that from 62,000, probably, 10x that to 620,000, something like that. And I could end up throwing all that money back into the dividend portfolio, and now I have a larger dividend portfolio. Absolutely fantastic. But the point is that you have some that you want to risk, you have some money that you want to risk, and you have some money that you really don't want to risk. Some money that you have a little bit less of a risk, and other money that you have a larger risk for. This is why I have things like meme coins, brand new coins. I put $100 here, $100 there, $1,000 there. Take up risk in Margex. You make sure you have risk in your portfolio, as well as having safety and security for certain amounts. Maybe it's a larger amount, maybe it's a smaller amount, whatever it is. You have a certain amount that's sitting over here that you know is safe and secure. So when I look at XRP, that's what I kind of see. I see safe and secure because of the traction, because of the conversations that happen about Ripple, about where it's going, about XRP, about the future of what that is. So I have 100,000. I'm happy about it. I'll continue to say it, continue to be a believer in XRP, and I can't wait for July to happen, because maybe we'll see that pick up. But I didn't want to risk it, right? I didn't want to risk it by saying, I have 90,000 XRP and I'm so close to having 100,000, hitting my goal, but because of the fact that I see it grow to a 60 cent level, I'm now like, all right, well, I'm going to hold off on this. And I don't want to hold off. So I decided to not only, take what I gained in Margex, which was a decent amount. And I even have some gains that I want to take from soon. I have like a Solana gain that ended up gaining me $200. I have a recent, I don't know what it was. Let me go ahead and check it out. I actually can bring it up. I have an XRP gain that's like $29 here, because it's grown from 47.19. I have a 50x leverage on XRP that I took out. That's at 47. This is more of a small risk play that I threw a small amount on, that I couldn't transfer, convert, or do anything with, and that was within ETH. So I have 1,744, which I've gained about $29 on so far, or 83%. I also have a $113 gain in Solana, Jasmine coin. I have $220 at the moment. So there's different gains that I have within Margex that I want to take from. But I'm excited. I'm excited for what this will be. I'm excited for the growth that we will see. Not only like will we see growth in July, because we're supposed to have the Ethereum ETF go live, or start trading somewhere in that time frame in that month. We're also going to see some possibilities or conversations to conclusions for Ripple versus the SEC, as well as Coinbase versus the SEC. All of these things there. So anyways, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out my link for Margex down below. It does help out the channel, as well as Twitter and Patreon. I'm going to get out of here. I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.